Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes. Brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. Whether you want your home decorated for the holidays or maybe this is your business, they've got plenty of stock. 631-957-5106 is the phone number. The website, liholidaylighting.com. And Omni True Value Hardware to get your salt, rock salt, and all your snow melt products. Maybe you need a new snow blower. They're at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, and they have the best prices anywhere in the tri-state area and beyond. 631-756-1125. The website is omnitruevalue.com. Our cold front is through, and skies have cleared out, and that's going to make for a nice Friday evening and Friday night up and down the eastern seaboard, but it stands out obviously with what's around the Great Lakes. We still have the upper trough. The cold front ran out way ahead of the upper trough, which is still back to the west. And of course, we saw thunderstorms. A few places had some severe weather when this front moved on through. Even saw a tornado warning that went up not too far from Binghamton, New York today, and a lot of special marine warnings in and around Long Island and coastal New Jersey. So that's all done. Tonight should be fine. And I think even the start of tomorrow, you'll probably start to see sunshine early giving way to arriving clouds rather quickly because this upper trough is going to be shifting to the east. So we're seeing colder air that's coming in behind this. And after this upper trough goes through, and that's producing snow and rain all around the Great Lakes this evening, in Chicago, for example, in Milwaukee, and also in parts of Michigan and Indiana, and in northwestern Ohio. It's mostly rain as you go further south. That area will be slowly moving to the east. Now, a lot of this is on the light side. So I think we are going to probably deal with perhaps a couple-ish rain showers later tomorrow and into tomorrow evening. And I think there's a chance that in places in northeastern Pennsylvania up into the Catskills, you could see a little bit of wet snowflakes mixing in with all of this. The severe weather threats, as we said, are gone. Precipitation over the next 7 days is not going to be much. From southern New England on southward, we're looking at anywhere from 1/10 of an inch or less. And in some places, from the Carolinas down to Georgia and southern Alabama, not a drop. Lake effect going on in upstate New York and also in northwestern Pennsylvania and also in and around the lake shores of Huron and Michigan. And the big rains, of course, continue on up into the Pacific Northwest. I want to just give a quick view here. This is snow cover over North America, and we've been talking about this on and off for the last month plus. The snow cover growth over North America has been decidedly lacking. It's only in the last week, this is a 30-day animation of the snow cover, and only in the last week have we seen a marked advance of snow cover from northern Canada to points further south. It's still not where it needs to be when it comes to winter weather. And the reason why I'm bringing attention to this is the fact that with the lack of snow cover, the air masses coming down from Canada are not really all that cold. If they had the snow cover up there, it would be a different story. Once that snow cover gets put down, and I think you're going to see this grow in the next couple of weeks, it'll be a different story as we head later in the month and, of course, eventually into the month of December. So it's all going to be about weather fronts coming through and the upper trough. This is the surface map from this morning at 5 a.m. when the cold front was still to the west. On the latest surface map, you'll notice that the front is now offshore. This was at 1 o'clock this afternoon, so it's even further to the east now. But you still have the low that's centered up in on the upper peninsula of Michigan that is rotating around, and we just have to wait for that to play on through. So the night is clear. We'll be down in the upper 30s in the coldest spots, low to mid 40s everywhere else. Daytime tomorrow, probably not getting out of the 50s. One upper trough comes through. You can see this at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There's a line of showers. And again, the model's picking up on that darker blues, the blue up in northeastern Pennsylvania and actually just north and west of the Catskills. That's going to play through. We'll have a couple of showers around during the afternoon. They should be gone by mid afternoon, and then we'll probably partially clear out tomorrow night. Take another step down in temperatures. Sunday's highs will be just in the 40s, and now here comes the next upper trough, and you see the rain and snow in northwestern Pennsylvania and western New York. I think we're going to probably see a couple of showers here Sunday night into early Monday. And from this, there might be a little bit of snow in northeastern Pennsylvania and in the Catskills. Again, elevation driven pretty much. And the same goes for upstate New York. Who knows? You might even see a few flakes in the elevated areas in northwest New Jersey. And then it'll just turn colder on Monday, just in the 40s for highs. The core, and it also will be on the breezy side. We have lake effect going on Monday. Tuesday looks dry with sunshine. Highs will be in the 40s. And then going forward to next week, everything is moving from west to east. We'll have a nice day on Wednesday. We should be bouncing back up into the 50s, and we'll be warming up on Thursday ahead of the next cold front, which really doesn't have much with it. You can see it here. This is coming through late Thursday. No real moisture with this, and that's why WPC has very little weather with it. And just a quick look here at next weekend, you'll notice moisture gathering with low pressure coming out of the Gulf states and trying to make a move up the East Coast. We'll see if that is still there on the models for when we look at this tomorrow and on Sunday. It has been showing hints of this for the last several days, but that is down the road more than a week away. Weather in 5, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town on all your snow melt products. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. And their telephone number is 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. All right, the Joe and Joe Weather Show takes its usual Friday and Saturday off, but we'll be back Sunday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So we hope to see you then.